If you've been waiting for a mid-budget smartphone from Samsung, we've got some exciting news for you. The company is all set to launch a brand new phone under its A series, and it's going to be called the Samsung Galaxy A85 5G. Packed with premium features at an affordable price, this smartphone is shaping up to be the best in its segment. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the fully leaked features, price, and launch date of this incredible device. So let's start. Samsung Galaxy A85 5G features. The Samsung Galaxy A85 5G is rumored to sport a stunning 6.72-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate, ensuring ultra-smooth scrolling and responsiveness. With an impressive 90.6% screen-to-body ratio, this phone will also feature an in-display fingerprint sensor, Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and even an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera setup. On the back, you'll find a triple camera setup, headlined by a powerful 108-megapixel primary shooter. It's accompanied by a 5-megapixel macro lens and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, giving you versatility in every shot. For selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front-facing camera, perfect for crisp, high-quality selfies and video calls. Processor and performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy A85 5G is expected to pack the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with a Mali G68 GPU for top-tier graphics performance. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, this phone promises blazing fast speeds and smooth performance. And when it comes to software, you'll get the latest One UI 7 running on Android 15 right out of the box. Battery and charging. Powering the device is a massive 5100 mAh battery, supported by 65-watt fast charging. That means you can go from 0 to full in just 25 minutes, no more long waits for your phone to charge. Price and launch date. The Galaxy A85 5G is expected to come with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, priced around $600. As for the launch, Samsung is likely to unveil this powerhouse in December 2024,